Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt like the whole day finished, but you still didn't breathe? You answered messages, you handled responsibilities, yet somehow you feel unfinished? If this sounds familiar, this lesson is for you. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi subhanallahil azim. Welcome to Shaheda Education Adventure. I'm your teacher Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 3 of our 60-day Hindi vocabulary confident journey, where you don't memorize words, you feel them, use them, and truly own them. In today's lesson, you will learn one powerful Hindi word, and at the end of this lesson, you will receive a small reward. Real native-style Hindi sentences showing how this word is used naturally in daily conversations, so stay with me until the end. Today's word is vyast. Repeat after me. Vyast. Now you say it. Vyast doesn't only mean you have a lot of work. You can be busy with responsibilities, busy with thoughts, busy trying to manage everything at once. When you say vyast, it tells people your time, energy, and attention are occupied. This is not just a challenge. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a Hindi vocabulary assessment. Those who participate will receive a vocabulary fluency certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio, description, or comments, depending on the platform you're using. For those who want deeper practice, I have also created a 15-day private Hindi vocabulary program, short focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website. It's for learners who want structured guidance and faster progress. And if you prefer personal guidance, you can book private lessons through my website. Many students have already transformed this way. Now, here is a reward. Let's see how native speakers naturally use vyast. I am busy with work. मैं काम में व्यस्त हूँ. She was busy with her homework. वो अपने homework लेकर व्यस्त हैं. That's it. One word, but now it explains your reality. Now this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using vyast. Then write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Your voice builds your confidence. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream Hindi course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 3. Tomorrow, day 4, we will explore a word that changes how you see yourself even when life feels heavy. Follow the journey, stay consistent with Shaheda Education Adventure. One world of knowledge, your journey to the best education in the world.